Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to install Apache, PHP, and MySQL under Windows 64-bit. Just to show you, this is 64-bit. Let me go ahead and open up my PC info. As you can see, 64-bit operating system, an x64 based processor. Now let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome. If you have Windows 8.1, then you do not need to worry about downloading the Microsoft C++ redistributables. Instead, but if you're under Windows 7 or Windows Vista x64, you'll need to download Visual C++ Redistributable 2012 and click here. And you should install the x64. Make sure you are on the 64-bit version of Windows, or else this will not work. Now, some other software that you're going to need. Go to www.apachelaunch.com. Click on Downloads. Now, I know they have a VC14 version, but PHP, as of right now, is only going to be VC11. So if we go to Downloads, Windows Downloads, and here are the builds. Now if you're using Apache, you have to use the thread safe version. And here these are 32-bit builds. Here's a 64-bit build. So you want to download this zip right here, thread safe. As you see, it's VC11. We have to make sure this matches. So we click on VC11 and download Win64. Now, another tool that you are going to need for this tutorial is MySQL. So click on Downloads, scroll down to Community Edition, General Public License, and then click on Community Server again, download. Now I know there is an installer. Do not use the installer for this tutorial. Scroll down to the x64 zip and download. Once you get here, you don't need to log into an Oracle account or sign up. Just click here. No thanks, just start my download. So, because I already have all the tools downloaded, and this reminds me, if this is an optional thing by you, it's highly recommended. myadmin.net. And then you click on download. It will take you automatically to SourceForge. This does not require you to install it onto your computer, just into your root directory for your server. So let's go ahead and open up HTTPD, and then drag, and it should start unpacking. This should take a second. While it's doing that, okay, I guess we're gonna have to wait. Okay, there you go. Now let's also open up readme.txt. Close. So this tells you how to install it. So now if we open up the Apache 24 folder, click on bin. If you're using Windows 8, all you have to do is go to File, open Command Prompt as administrator. Yes. Now, what you want to do is install it. So you need to open up Apache first, and then install this. service. There you go. Now, see Apache Monitor? What you want to do is send to desktop create shortcut. Now you can close this. And let's go ahead and just rename this shortcut Apache Monitor. Right click, run as administrator. There you go. And should start the service. Open Apache Monitor. Start. There we go. Apache has been started. Now, let's go ahead and test this in the browser. 127.0.0.1. It works. Apache has successfully been installed onto the computer. So, let's go ahead and install PHP. So I'll keep Apache Monitor open for now, so we can do this a lot easier. So what you want to do is open up your PHP folder, and next what you want to do is create a new folder, PHP. Select everything and extract. Now PHP is installed. Well, we're not quite done yet. So, let's go ahead and do some stuff first. What we want to do is copy, paste. So, basically what we're doing is backing up. And just a little thing I like to do. Dev.back. So I like to give it a .back extension, but that's just a little convention I do. Yes. So click on yes, and there you go. There's your php.ini.